The last scenario in the TestNG is how to run on multiple browsers. Now we run same browser, multiple classes we run parallelly. Now we are going to run each class different browsers. That means browser compatibility testing. How can you do? So parallel execution I have shown you. Now I'm going to show you parallel execution only, but browser compatibility. So you can run for a particular test case, you can run on particular browser. How can you do that? So let's go and do that. Same thing. You don't need to do anything. Same, you have to change your testng.xml format. That's it. So create this, no, not this one, right? This one, and Google session, select session. Make sure you have the setup method properly set up here. So with this one, right? With at the rate parameters annotation, because you are going to give which browser you want to run, right? That's why. So right click on select the which classes you want to run. So on the different browsers, create a testng.xml file. So the parallel mode you have to select this time test, TESTS tests you have to select. Parallel test suite. Parallel test. And thread count you can give 5. And I'm going to give so my project inside, SRC folder inside, test folder inside, a resource folder. I'm creating my suite files, all my suite files. Parallel testng.xml file. So click on finish. So mainly the compatibility testing, if you want to do browser compatibility, everything on the XML file only. So you have to give in the XML file only. So how to set up that is multiple test tags you have to create basically. That's it. Multiple, each test tag is one for one browser. Each test tag is for one browser. For example, I want to run test tag. So this test tag name I'll give run test on Firefox or Chrome browser. Run test on Chrome. That name I'm changing, test name I'm changing. So I'll run depends on method otherwise. Or I'll run Google sessions, okay? Google sessions there. Google sessions I'll run, and remaining I'm deleting. Okay, one class I'm running. Okay, you can run multiple if you want. No issues in that under classes tag. Then I'm running run on Firefox test. Firefox test. So again, I had to give here the parameter tag, right? The parameter tag I have to give. I want to run on Chrome browser. So parameter tag. So parameter is a browser. The value is Chrome browser. Because you are running on the Chrome browser, that's the Chrome parameter you have to give. So this Firefox browser, I'm going to run this depends on method, LinkedIn program I'll run this. Okay, here I need so these parameters, right? All these values I need, these parameters. So I'm going to give here. So the browser is Firefox. Browser is Firefox, and I want to give username and password for this test method, because this class has a parameters annotation for the browser for a username and password. The next one is run on edge test. So I'll run what is the left one, last one, this one I want to run. So this also I need to give parameter tag. So parameter is browser is the parameter name, and the value is Edge browser. See, all three browsers I am running, each browser one class, but not necessary. Okay, you can run how many classes you want. How many classes you want, you can run it. It's up to you. But this is the mandatory how to prepare if you want to run on multiple browsers. Each test tag is for one browser. Each test tag is for one browser. Okay. So in this classes tag inside, you can mention which classes you want to run on the browser. It's up to you. But as of now, here I am keeping one, but you can keep n number. It's up to you which test cases you want to run. You decide it. So that is the how to run different browsers parallelly. Again, all browsers will run parallelly. So Edge will open independently, Firefox will open independently, Chrome will open independently. So all will open independently, they will run on different browsers. So that's how it will happen. So this I need to do parallel TestNG in the pom.xml. So I'll comment out this so this is one I have parallel test TestNG. So I'll comment out this. So the last one. So we're ending almost. So with this TestNG is over. All the TestNG concepts we covered. So the only topic left now, actions class, that I'll explain on Monday. Okay, let's run as Maven install. See, you observe three browsers will launch: Chrome browser, Edge browser, and Firefox browser. See, Chrome driver was started successfully, and you can see Firefox browser also will launch. Edge browser also will launch. First, Google Chrome is going on. See, Edge browser also started while running in Chrome. Edge also started. Firefox is little bit slow. That is a system performance. See, Firefox, there is a problem with the Firefox browser. So Edge is going on now. So now this is the one it's going on. So these notifications we need to handle. That is one more concept is there. So we'll handle the notifications, how to handle notifications in the browsers. -- disable Chrome options or Firefox options, which browser you want to handle the notifications. You need to create object for Chrome options class, options dot add arguments method you call, and -- disable notifications. So automatically all the notifications will be disabled. But this one failed, I think, because yeah, it failed. But how can you run only failed test cases? So we have a option, right? We have option. So failed test cases only can run. You can see. So let me run again. Otherwise, Basically time waste if you run again. That's why failed test case only you can run. That's going to be easy for you. Save the time. You can save the time. That's the main concept. So this time it is going fine in the Firefox browser also. It's a little bit slow in the Firefox browser. It depends on the system also. Done. Okay, so you can go and see the reports now. Just refresh and you can go and see the reports. So the reports you can see, refresh. Build is success also, and you can open target. Then under Surefire reports, so available report. Already here, right? We can just refresh. You can see run on Edge test, run on Chrome, run on Firefox test. So these are all one test at the test method. There are 3 test methods out there. That's it is successful. Okay. So this is how we will get the report nicely. Yeah, that's it.